welcome back to my channel. Today we continue the three-part series with my friend Candace. We are doing the ColourPop holiday series. We've already done Thanksgiving and Christmas, and this one is New Year's. If you haven't checked out her channel already, please do. I will have her link below as well as a card up top. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. First thing we're going to do is prime our face, and that is going to be with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydraulic Acid thing here. Okay, so ColourPop again does not have an eye primer, and for me an eye primer is a must, so I am using Ofra. Alright, so eye primer is on. Now we are getting into the brows, and of course I've got the ColourPop pomade here. Okay, there are the brows, and of course I keep mine pretty natural looking for the most part. I mean, my whole makeup theory is if you stick with mostly a natural look and then do maybe one or two things really loud, it makes the whole thing wearable. Like, I like to use a lot of loud eyeshadow, but because I do the rest of my face pretty natural looking, it makes it more wearable in everyday wear. But if I did really heavy contouring, really loud lipstick, really defined eyebrows, it becomes less wearable for everyday wear. So that's part of the reason I do that. There are many other reasons why I don't go extreme, but that is one. So let's go ahead and get into the eyeshadow, and I was undecided about what palette I wanted to stick with. So I grabbed 3. And we'll just play with them and see which ones I work with. I probably will end up using all 3 because that's just the sort of person I am, all kinds of extra. And of course I have my glitter palette too. So let's start with this Baby Got Peach, and I am going to cover the entire lid with Ready or Yacht. This one right here. Okay, so there is a little bit of purple in my dress. I know that's weird to deliberately try to coordinate stuff like that, but that's what I do. So now I'm going to go in with Fluff, right here, the center one. I'm going to take this Iffy and do the outer part of that, just to darken it up a little bit. So now I am going to go in with some shades of blue. I am going to go with Mad About You, this one right here. Okay, so now I am going to go in with this color right here, Clued In. Now we are going to go under the eye, and I'm going to start out with this white color here in the Blue Moon palette. That's kind of not the direction I want to go, but anyways, I'm going with it because I'm committed now. So now I'm going to go with this Mad About You. Okay, so now I'm going to blend that out a little bit. Now it is time to be extra and do the glitter, and I am not sure about the glitter I want to use. I think think I'm gonna go with, I'm gonna start off with, oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna start off with this one right here. I think now I am going to go in with this chunkier color right here. I'm going to be a little extra and do some red. I was debating on like this purple because I think the purple would be nice. But I think the purple will be kind of lost once I finish the eye look. So what I think I'm going to do instead is go with red because it kind of still goes with the outfit. So red is the bottom liner. There's the red liner with that. And I am going to go, I was going to use a blue liquid liner that I have by ColourPop. I can't find it, so instead I am going to use my Hank and Henry Liquidy Black because it's here in front of me and I don't want to spend any more time looking for something I don't know where it's at, so we'll continue. So there's the liner. Now for bottom mascara, I'm going to go with the ColourPop red here. Okay, there's the bottom with the red. You see how you can see the contrast a little bit? That's why I didn't go with the purple because I don't think you would have been able to see that. Anyways, so now we're going on to mascara. We are using Benefit's Bad Gal Bang, or the top mascara, I should say. Mascara is done. Moving on to concealer, and I have, ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydraulic Creamy Concealer here. There you go. Okay, concealer is done. Now we're moving into foundation, and we have ColourPop No Filter Foundation here. Alright, now we are moving into some light contouring, which of course is the GG Gorgeous right here. Alright, for blush, I have the ColourPop one here. This is the Frisky Business, part of their peach collection. And I went way heavy-handed in it, but that's okay because I'm about to go over with some setting powder, which will be the ColourPop No Filter setting powder. Okay, so now we need some highlight, and we are going to go in with, let's see, these two here. This is Spellbound and Over the Moon. Okay, now for some lip. I think I'm just gonna go with a couple glosses. I think I'm gonna go with the ColourPop Goodberry one. And then I'm gonna go over it with this one here. I wore the name off, but it's that one. See, it's just a hint of red. It's not overpowering. And so now I'm going to use this other one, just a little bit here. And that would be it. I'm going to use some setting spray, which is Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray Mist. And there's my New Year's look. So I hope you like this look, and don't forget to check out Candace's look. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.